Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can reduce your file size using Paint. You're going to go to File and you're going to select Open, and you're going to select the image you want to reduce your file size. I'm just going to select this one. Then you are going to select this resize and skew option. You're going to select the percentage one, and you're just going to do maybe like 50% of what you have. Press OK. File, and then save as JPEG, and the file size will go down, I guess, like for this 50%. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can reduce your file size using Paint. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.